I didn't wake up confident one morning. I built it one tiny decision at a time. And the first decision wasn't to leave, it was to stop abandoning myself. If you are someone feeling like you need more confidence to make the moves that you need to make, then this video is for you. My name is Catherine Allen. I am a life and business coach. I broke out of corporate America, haven't been there over 30 years. You may not be in corporate, but you may be in a job or a career that is no longer working for you. Now, let me just talk to you about what confidence can look like in the beginning. You may feel like you don't have the confidence, but here are some signs to show you that you do have some confidence. Just by acknowledging the fact that you need something different, that is a sign of confidence. And allowing yourself to want more. Believe it or not, some people won't even allow themselves to want more. And also, if you are taking your desires seriously, that is a sign of confidence. And this is another thing that you may not realize, that if you're setting micro boundaries with folks that you work with or just in life in general, that is a sign of confidence. Sometimes your confidence can be shattered or sometimes even broken, but if you feel that way, you have to take some action. I can recall when I needed to build my confidence up again, when I decided that I was not going to look for another job in corporate because I was only getting the same experience in these environments. So I invested in something for me. I invested in life coaching, learning digital marketing because it was something that I wanted to do. I wanted to learn. And the other thing that I can recall that really helped my confidence when I was in corporate, when I had to take care of my mental well being, I went to a therapist. And I will encourage you to do the same. If you are in a workspace where it is taking a toll on you mentally and emotionally, and sometimes it can be physically as well, but mentally, emotionally, I encourage you to see a therapist. He or she can help you with your thinking and helping you to cope with the situation. And it is a person who is a neutral party to help you get the right thinking on the environment and the situation that you are dealing with. All of that can help you with your confidence, because when you are in workspaces where you're navigating microaggression, you're being undervalued, your confidence can be shattered. So that is a confidence builder, to seek a therapist or to invest in something that you want to do, or to go after something that you want to do. And it is important to understand that confidence grows before your situation change. That is true because you have to make the internal shift. An example of that is that if you are having a tug for something different, and if you're watching this video, then you are, take the courage to go further in that tug. And you'll be honoring your truth. You know the reality of your situation. You have this desire for something else. When you really acknowledge that, you will see options appear. You're thinking of something different. And when you open your mind, all of these options will start to appear before you. I'm going to share with you a formula that can help you to build your own confidence, to make a pivot or a change that you want. It starts with honesty. You have to be honest about your feelings, about what you have experienced. Assess the truth of what you are experiencing in your feelings. Then take micro action to change what you are dealing with. Micro action might be when you have a situation approach the person in a professional manner and express what you experience. Or the micro action might be to tell yourself that what you experience is someone else's interpretation of who you are, but that is not who you are when you have been disrespected or you have dealt with microaggression. Look at the evidence for what it is. Do not ignore what is true. If you have been dealing with a situation that is taking a toll on you, the evidence is real. If the truth is there, if you were to go to court and you can present evidence, then that is real. And take the action that you need to take around it. When you take action that reinforces who you are, that adds to your self respect, that will give you the confidence that you need. So, by using this formula, take the time to come up with a strategy for something different. Now, if you feel like, this job is just a job, I feel like if I go to another job, it would be a little better, then try the job move. But if you have been moving from job to job to job and the situation keeps reappearing for what you're dealing with, face that reality. Is it time to do something different? Is it time to get a strategy to for a way to create income on your own terms? I am by no means suggesting that you up and quit your job. I am suggesting to come up with a strategy. I encourage women to build your new plan, your new business on the side of your job. Your company, your employer do not own your skill set. They do not own your life experiences. You can monetize that. So think about what you can do to start a business on the side of your job to build it to a point where you can pivot if that is something you want to do. For some people, they like having that additional income, just knowing that if they reach that capacity where they can't take it anymore, they do have some income coming in until they find the next job. It's all in what you want. Be honest with what you want. So, if you want me to break down the exact steps I use to help me to build up the confidence enough to make the pivot that I made, then just drop the word confidence below and I'll send you a short guide. I do thank you for stopping by to watch this video. I hope that it adds value to you. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that my goal is to help you to have the confidence and to take the steps to build the life that you want on your terms. So I hope that you will come back to the next video. Until then, I hope to see you in the next video.